Excuse me, I'm a student and I'm trying to improve my English. May I talk to you?
Yes.
By the way, I have an exercise to be a short conversation with a foreigner. Would you help me, please?
How long does the video take?
Just 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you very much. It's so noisy here. Could you calm down, please?
Yes.
Thank you very much. My friend will video our conversation between us. Are you ready?
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Van, V-A-N. I'm 20 years old. I'm second year student at the Academy of Finance. What's your name, please?
My name's Mia.
Could you spell your name, please?
M-I-A.
M-I-A.
Right.
I'm sorry, could you say your name again, please?
Mia.
Mia.
Yes.
Where you come from, Mia?
I come from Australia.
Australia.
Yes.
I know Australia is capital is Canberra, and the country is famous for kangaroos and gorillas.
Yes. You come from Hà Nội đúng chứ?
No, I come from Thanh Hóa province, about 200 kilometers to the south of Hanoi.
Thanh Hóa province.
Right. How do you feel about the weather in Hanoi?
It's very nice, not too hot, not too cold.
Yes. There are 4 seasons in my country, and this is autumn. In my country, autumns are quite hot. The temperature is about 25 degrees. And what's the weather like in your country?
In my country, there are 4 seasons too. The winter is cold and snowy. The temperature is about 10 degrees. And the summer is warm. The temperature is about 20 degrees.
Which season do you like best and why?
I like summer best because there's summer holiday.
Summer best?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Bye bye.